The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For Clay, Putnam, Southern Montgomery, Greene, Sullivan, Owen, Park, and Eastern Vigo counties. At 5:08 p.m. EST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Rockville to 8 miles southwest of Linton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Greencastle, Brazil, Linton, Sullivan, Rockville, Bloomfield, Spencer, Jasonville, Cloverdale, Worthington, Shelburne, Farmersburg, Sealyville, Latiga, Rochdale, Duggar, Knightsville, Clay City, and Himera. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 10 and 47. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.